Please subscribe and hit the notification bell.
You will need a bucket that is more than 24 cm deep. Fill the water up to your bucket about 80%. After that, if your flowers come from a florist shop and you would like to keep the design, just remove the outside packet materials and get the whole bunch of the flowers out from the top generally. Then put them into the bucket for 2 hours or more. Let them drink enough water. Then put a vase. This way will help your flowers to stay fresher in the vase. After that, if you are going to rearrange the flowers, you can untie the bundle of the flowers, cut off the rubber band or string to loose them. If some of them are tangled together, separate them properly, so every flower and stem can fully absorb water properly. This way is not just only to help your flowers to stay fresher, but also last longer in the vase. The flowers will need enough water to absorb when you put them into a vase. Water could evaporate down a certain amount in an air-conditioned room or dry area. Therefore, add fresh water into the vase every day. It's a good way to take care of your flowers. Also, adding fresh water could reduce some bacterial growth too, as most of the tap water has chlorine. If your flowers have any dead leaves or stems, you should remove them quickly. Prevent the other flowers being damaged by bacteria. Also, keep your flowers looking good too. Check the water per 1 or 2 days. If it turns cloudy, you should change it. When you change the water, you should pour out all water from the vase and give it a good rinsing. Here are some examples where I removed some dead flowers and leaves. Also, I redesigned the flowers to make the entire shape look good. As long as you take care of your flowers well, some buds will open to become flowers. You will have a good-looking flower arrangement in your place for a while. Thank you so much for checking out this course. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. I will share more interesting DIY courses with you. Please subscribe if you like this content. See you soon next time.